Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Ortiz from Cisco Tech HyperFlex team. In this video, we will see the process of how to add additional VLANs to an existing HyperFlex cluster using the installer VM. First of all, make sure that the installer VM is in the same version as your HyperFlex cluster. In case you have deployed the HX cluster with Intersight, you'll be able to perform the steps by doing SSH to the CMIP of the cluster. As first step, we verify that VLAN 99 is not created on UCSM, and it is not added to the VNix. And port group is not added either to the vSwitch HX VM network. SSH to the IP address of the installer VM or to the CMIP of your cluster if it was deployed with Intersight, and login with root for the installer or admin for the CMIP. Run hx postinstall command. It shows three workflow options. We select one and click Enter. Fill in the requested fields regarding your environment. We will enter N for the first options offered by the installer. Once we get to add VM network VLANs, we will enter Y. To enter UCSM details and suborganization for our HX cluster in UCSM. For group name will be also the name of the VLAN in UCS. Then we enter the VLAN ID. In case we have this join layer 2 configured on UCSM with VLAN groups, we can add the VLAN to make sure it will be assigned to an uplink, but that's not our current scenario. Once we complete all the fields, the installer will provide details of the VNIC template where the VLAN was added, as well as the SCVMs. In case we want to add more than one VLAN, we can set Y to the last question. In order to verify the VLAN was added correctly, we navigate to UCSM and check that it has been added on the LAN cloud. In case of the join layer 2 configuration, we would also need to check the VLAN was added to the specified VLAN group. Now, we navigate to one of the service profiles of the cluster and verify the VLAN is added to the VM network VNix. Lastly, we check on vCenter that the port group was created on the VM network switch for all the servers of the cluster. We are ready to use the new VLAN on our HyperFlex environment. Thank you for watching.